Hey there, my dear friends. Life is awesome now. Life is amazing, but not until I had finally cracked the code to planning to profit. And you don't need to be an artist to learn from me how to generate passive profits using my plan to profit method in this course. Easily generate traffic and sales with our copy and paste fast method, spending just 20 minutes of work per day. And for quick results possible, and not just for experienced marketers, we created this course for newbies and seasoned marketers. Zero tech skills required, and if for some unimaginable reason you're not satisfied by my methods, we offer a 15-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Tap into cutting-edge marketing strategies that can build you a highly profitable buyer's list from scratch and get paid to do it. So if that sounds great but overwhelming at the same time, I can assure you it doesn't have to be difficult. Just follow my proven system, which will increase your earnings double-fold over what they were yesterday and much faster. My one and only goal will be to work with you and strategize on our proven system that can take your business to the next level with insane profits. How did it all start? So I had so many people who asked me how I did build my huge list of buyers in such a short span of time, and if I could do the same for them. Although I would love to help everybody, I was completely booked with clients at the time. So then I came up with this idea. What if I create a training that makes the process of list building easy? What if I created a method that works for everyone? What would that method help people to achieve their goals? And that's why exactly Dean and I created Plan to Profit. Replicate our method with just 20 minutes per day. Tap into cutting-edge marketing techniques with this brand new system. No more wondering about how to get targeted visitors to your offers. Sign up right now to avail the early bird price and get our insane bonuses worth $2,777 all thrown in for the early bird price that you will purchase Plan to Profit. What's more, you have the chance to get on a one-on-one call and hear it directly from us. Dean and I are happy to connect with you and run you through our proven process step by step. So sit tight. Let's take off to living a rockstar lifestyle together with this cheat code. See you in the course.